Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Yesterday, I have updated on a video hourly breakout. So today I plan to give on my Telegram channel something technical issue I cannot able to send you the alerts, but I will share you the stocks. What are the stocks which is forms such a kind of pattern that I have already shared on my Telegram channel as a photo. So today on the hourly scanner we have 7 stocks. So it is a hourly based time frame. We may be using for intraday or positional also. This we are using an hourly time frame. It may continue trend if it is triggers your stop loss. So an intraday or even a positional you can manage with that trade. So what are the stocks? We got it in the morning around 10:15. That is a 1 hour candle. So from 9:15 to 10:15 is the closing time. So after 10:15 high or a low, when it is broken, we are going to make a trade. Right, so we have 7 stocks. Yesterday I made a video about that. If you want to know about, you can go through the reference of my previous video. And we have 7 stocks: Infosys, MRF, Granules, Podge Industries, APA, Albimick Pharma, Carthage, and Nakuri. So these are the stocks. Let me check what happened in the stock and how it performed according to that scanner. So we already told you I'm not going to provide you the scanner right now, but I will provide you the scanner whenever our subscriber reach 7,000 plus. We are short of some 50 40. Okay, so I'm going to share this one. Okay, so first stock is Infosys. Let's see, this is the first 1 hour candle where we are going to take an Infosys for a breakout trade. What happened? We are focusing for both the sides breakout, the high or a low. So we are waiting for such a kind of breakout on higher side as well as lower side. So around 1706.5 is the highest level in the first 1 hour. This is what a highest level and this is what a lowest level. So we are waiting for a breakout either the side. If it is breaks above the higher line, so we are going to buy. If it is break the low of the previous, that is a first 1 hour candle, we are going to sell. So you know what is the risk reward involved in the trade. So for example, this is a positional trade. We may be using if you are following intraday, you can use 1:1, or if you are using a positional trade, you can wait for a 1:2. And if you are an option trader, so you can use options to buy. Right, some people who attend my strategy, advanced strategy, they know well. So this kind of time we can use 2.1 or 3.2 or SBB kind of strategy you can use. This is working good, so you can make use of this strategies. Right, so it happened around 1706 and it gives you the buy breakout. So where we are going to take a entry around 1706 and off, and then it went up to 1736. This is the highest level. So from almost 30 points, 29-30 points is given. So what the risk we have taken is around 25 points. So that was generate you such a good profit. 25 point risk, it is giving you 25 point profit. In intraday itself, it is a 1:1 risk reward ratio which is given in a particular stock. And the second stock, which is MRF. So if you are selecting a stock, you can focus on quality stocks which is for intraday or a positional. MRF, another stock which is giving you the first 1 hour breakout entry 65,734.95 and 60, almost 700 point is the risk for the stop loss for this trade. So and also it is a high value stock, so it went up to 66, nearby 66,200. So it reaches maximum of 500 point from your entry, but it not given you 1:1 target, but it is a looks like a positional trade. It gives you 500 point. We are taking a risk of 700 point. and end of the day it is around closed around 66,000, somewhere around 300 to 250 point plus. So this is also a trade which is works better today's scenario. And third stock is you are finding out Granules India. Let me try it out. Granules. What happened? Okay, this is what a stop loss trade. Let's see that what happened here. This is what a entry and exit. 83.5 to 88.9, around 5.5 or 6 rupees nearby stop loss. What happened here? Initially it given you the breakdown, so we are making a sell trade on that particular, right? It's a sell trade. So and immediately it triggers your stop, and then we can reverse the trade. That is also be in small negative, but we are going to wait for a positional trade. There is a possibilities of movement as we keep as a the stop loss. If a stop loss, both the sides stop loss hit, we can take as a stop loss. If any point of the time if stop loss hit, we can keep 1:2 as a target, so we may be exiting with 0 loss, right? So this fails in Granules. And then Podge Industries, that is also high value stock. So you can plan that stock which you are going to take a trade. So this is also be another stop loss trade. And whenever you are going to place orders, you know what is the risk involved in the trade. Let's see, 41,488 and 40,600, almost 800 point risk, and it triggers and it small movement of 40,300. So thumbs 300 point it down, and again it recovered back and stop loss triggered. From the stop loss again it fallen down. So we have to keep the stop loss. If you are reversed it, if 2 times stop loss it, we don't do anything. So we should exit from the trade. But if you select a quality of stocks, APLLT, Albimick Pharma, so this works better in a downside. So 719, 729, 20 point is the risk, and it made low somewhere around 709. So 10 rupees it given you profit, and closing by 6 rupees profit, and it was a stop loss is around 20 points near. So if you are placing orders, you must know what the risk involved in the trade. So then if the risk is suitable to you, you can place the orders, or else you simply ignore the trade. This is also works well. And Carthage properties. Carthage properties is another one that has given you entry, but it was ending with the loss. But you see that stop loss of this trade is near about 80 points. So the big candle, the first 1 hour, it's a very big stop losses, 455 to 532. But even it is given you entry and it moves slightly lower around 10 rupees only, and then it recovered back around 487 and closed by 66. So almost 11 rupees loss. But if you are continuous a positional without until it triggers your stop loss, we may have the good chances to make profit. And finally Infosys, that is called Nakuri. So based on the scanner Nakuri, what happened here? That is works well. That works well. But the stop loss for the trade is very big. So if you are planning 4,400 to 4,579, almost 170 point is the stop loss. From 4,400 it fallen down towards 4,328. So almost 70 points generate you the profit, but still it not reaches your target. Now it is ending with the minimum profit of 50 rupees, but it is a big risk. So you should decide if the risk is very big, simply ignore the trade. If you find out any kind of such a good stocks, so you can place the orders. Even you can place in options also. So this scenario, so Infosys may be okay, this okay, this not okay, this is also, this is also. So if I'm filtering out, I'm going to avoid MRF and Podge Industries because of it is trading with the big gap between the premium, and also options are not liquid. So let's see, Infosys is a good quality and Granules okay, Albimick, Godrej, Infosys. So if you are taken a 5 stocks, if I taken a total 5 stocks, so almost 3 stocks given me a profit, 1 was stop loss. So almost it's working good now. So you can go through, and I have rectified that problem which I faced on my Telegram. So Monday onwards you will be getting the alerts whenever the stock filter the scan filter the stock. you will be getting alert on the list of stock, what are the stock which present on the scanners, like that you will be getting on my Telegram channel. I hope this may be a useful video to you all, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you liked it, kindly share to your friends. Thank you for watching this, and once again thank you.